What does an air conditioner mechanical technician do? Let's take a look. Installs air conditioning systems. Inspects systems. Diagnose problems. Performs maintenance. Calibrates systems.
What does it take to be an air conditioning mechanical technician?
Obtain a certification. Technical skills. Safety training. Time management. Creativity. Communication skills. Problem-solving skills. Do you have the skills to be an air conditioner mechanical technician? Would you like to be an air conditioner mechanical technician? Do you think you should be an air conditioner mechanical technician? To choose a vocation, consider proficiency or skills, passion or what you like to do, purpose or what you think you should do. Consider what you give and what you get with a certain vocation. Think about it.